Hi, I'm Blue, Maine Department of Labor's virtual assistant. Welcome to the video on how to verify your email address. Verifying your email will allow you to receive notifications via email when new information is added to your account, such as forms and decisions. It is extremely important to verify your email address in Reemploy Maine so you receive timely notification of correspondence and other important information about unemployment. If you do not verify your email address, you will not be able to receive a temporary password via email should you lock yourself out of your account or need to update your password. For claimant accounts, 1. If you're trying to verify your email for unemployment claims, just log in to your Reemploy Maine account. Once you're in, go to Benefits Maintenance, then Update Claimant Profile, and click on Verify Email. 2. You'll see a screen where you can enter the verification code that was sent to your email. If you didn't get a code, no worries, you can request a new one right from that same screen. 3. Once you hit Submit, your email has been verified. For unemployment employer accounts, 1. First, log in to your portal account and look for the blue Email Sign Up tab at the top of the page. After you click on the Email Sign Up tab, enter your email and choose which types of correspondence you want to receive. Make sure to select Password Reset 2. 3. After that, log back into your portal and go to the blue Verify Email tab. You'll be asked to enter the verification code from your email. Just type it in, hit Next, and your email has been verified. If you need additional assistance, please contact the Maine Unemployment Call Center at 800-593-7660. I hope this video on how to verify your email address was helpful.